Hello, this is the QB whole process of borrow, return, collection, and replenishment.
Click Borrow. Face ID Login. Choose the machine and work order. Choose the tool. Borrow. Take out tools.
So borrow is finished. Next is return.
Choose the tool you want to return. We can enter remarks. Then click Regrant. Confirm. Tool information will be printed. Stick on the package and put into the recycled box. Next is to return the scrapped tool. Enter remarks. Click Scrapped. Confirm. Stick on the package and put into the scrapped box.
Then the admin needs to collect the tools.
Open the door. Press the button in the upper right corner and take out tool. Click Tool Retrieval, Log in. Click the Regrant. Choose the tool needs to be confirmed. And after confirmation, the tool truly needs to be regranted. So, click Success and confirm.
Now we need to collect tools in the scrapped box.
Open the door. Press the button in the upper left corner. Take out the tool. Click Tool Retrieval. Click the scrapped. Choose the tool. Confirm the scrapped status. Then click Success and confirm.
Finally, the admin needs to do the replenishment.
Click Replenishment. We can choose to fill the specific number or click Replenish Full. Confirm the information. Then the admin needs to replenish the corresponding number of tools. Now the whole process is finished.